this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, oh boy, doing a couple today. They're both out of Exotic Nudes boxes. Go to exoticnudes.com. Use the coupon code RamenRaider15 for 15% off your order. That's not a bad deal. And so, what do we have? Got one from Taiwan. We got some A-Sha Hakka noodle. Chili spicy sauce. So that sounds good. Boil them for 4 minutes. Drain them. Add the sauce. Stir them up. And there you go. So, what's going on? It's Monday. It's the right one, isn't it? Wait a second. This doesn't belong in here. This belongs in there. I tell ya, I knew something was off. This one. And then here is their Hakka noodle. It's wide, it's flat, it's delicious. Drop it in. Nice guys over there. Couple brothers, good people. At least at 1, 2, 3, 4. I know the distributors for A-Sha here in the States, and they're cool dudes. Yeah, Taiwan. I've got Taiwan on the freaking brain, man. I just keep thinking, like, walking around, just seeing all sorts of crazy fools, and it's just like, man, I wish I was in Taiwan. I'd probably be in quarantine for 2 weeks. That's fine. Just fine with me. I would be more than happy for that. Come on, kids, let's go hang out in a closet for 2 weeks. Make sure nobody gets sick. I'd be okay with that. Just so I could get out, go do stuff. I have to. People always ask me, so what's your favorite Asian country that you visited? And I know there's some contention whether Taiwan is a country or not, but I mean, come on. It's a country. That's what I'll say. I'll say it's a country. I know it's part of China, but it's a country. It's Taiwan. Yeah, that's what I really want to do. I want to live in Taiwan because it's like, man, all the noodles I'd have access to, for one, and for two, it's just like you can hop on a flight out of Taiwan non-stop to like everywhere in Asia. I could hop on a flight out of Taiwan, go to Singapore in like, what, 2 hours? Maybe not even that. Hong Kong, Shanghai, Bangkok. Bangkok takes a little longer. I think that's like 4 hours it was. But Kuala Lumpur, Penang. When we went to Penang, we got to Taiyang Airport in Taiwan, and then we transferred via Silk Air over to Changi Airport, and then from there we got into Penang International Airport. But what was funny, I probably mentioned it before, but it's such a weird thing that I'll mention it again, and that was that when we flew out of Taiwan on Silk Air, when we were landing in, was it that one? I don't remember. No, it was when we landed in Penang. And we'd been up for so many hours already, and it was just, we were really out of it. But it's like, at the request of local government, do not be alarmed at the stewardess walking up and down the aisle. And she was like doing the fashion show walk, right? Up in the air, she's spraying Lysol. I swear to God, spraying some Lysol. So they don't want people to be stinky when they get into Penang. Was it Penang or was it Singapore? I want to say it was Penang. Singapore was just running. That's all we did. Our flight came in at one end of the airport. We had to get to the other. And it was practically empty. I mean, I couldn't imagine what that place would be like packed. There's so much room. That is a biggest freaking airport I've ever seen. And that was neat. All of that trip, every trip I've taken to Asia has just made me feel so happy. Oh man. I want the kids to see Asia really bad. It's so nice over there. And there we are. Alright, so we've got some of this Hakka noodle done. Uh-oh. I gotta drain it now. Hey, be good over there. Papa's cooking. So this is really not difficult to cook up. Hey! Enough! Okay? Okay? Okay, thank you. So you take this noodle and then you add the sauce inside. I don't want to hear any more uh-oh from out of there. I don't like uh-ohs. No more uh-oh. There's no need for the uh-oh. No more uh-oh. No more uh-ohs. I keep hearing uh-oh. 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 I don't want to hear any more uh-ohs. Why are you saying uh-oh, Miles? Is there a mess? One moment. Uh-oh. You need to go sit down. No uh-oh. Why are you saying uh-oh, Miles? Well, I haven't lost all my hair. I will eventually lose all my hair, but that's okay. See, that's something that I've never understood. Dudes losing their hair, it's like just what happens usually. I guess I don't see it. I had to be told one day, oh, you got a bald spot, dude. Really? Wow, that's kind of neat. See, personally, I would just I wish I had a machine that like a special hat that I could put on my head and it would shave my head all the time. That's good. Noodles are wide. Got a light, very soft, light chew. You see little flecks in the chili sauce. I like that. Yeah, these were in 2013 when my top 10 list came out. It made the news in Taiwan, and it wasn't that, oh wow, look, here's this guy's list. No, it was like, oh hey, look, Taiwan's not on the list, and they made this big news flurry about it. That was Apple Daily did that. By the way, I hear that there's trouble over at Apple Daily, that China's kind of got mad at them or something. So, to all the nice folks over at Apple Daily HK and otherwise, hope things are going better or going well. You know, they're really nice people, and I like your news. So I really like being in it too. They do these really neat graphics and stuff. They use all these funny effects. Go sit down, you troublemaker. Mimi, my goodness. She has really been a troublemaker today, ladies and gentlemen. I know don't think it could be possible, such a sweet little girl. But yeah, she took like, God, I want to say almost 2 hours to eat her lunch. It's not right. It's just not right. I need a knife. Not for her, just for... I'll sure use this one. I just used it. It's gonna be okay. Ooh, that one. So this is the trick. When these fancy eggs get chilled, that's how you gotta cut them. Look at that. That's how they do it. That's how they do it. See, because it's cold. It's not gonna all goosh out of it. But I don't want that little piece. And I've got some, a little bit of pork here. Like so. Gotta say I like that pork. Spring onion. Some sesame seeds. And a little bit of chili flake. And that is what we're doing today. Oh, I could do it. I don't know. Why not? A little bit. I get to lick the spoon. It's got a nice chili sauce on it already, but maybe just as an accompaniment for the egg. I'll do a little bit. Of Lao Gan Ma spicy chili crisp right there. Oh my God. What is this? This wonderful thing. Put on some music really loud that makes no sense to play it with this. I don't know. Cheers. Enjoy! Uh-oh, it's over. No. Here you go.
Chashu pork, onion, Lao Gan Ma, sesame seeds, and chili flake. All atop A-Sha dry noodles signature Hakka chili sauce flavor.
Yeah, that's pretty as a picture. I want to eat that. Boy, I don't know. I was really bad this weekend. I had pizza and God, what else? Yeah, I had pizza. That's bad enough. Anyways, good stuff. Thanks to exoticnudes.com. Remember that coupon code RamenRaider15 for a discount. And hey, hello to all the folks over at A-Sha Dry Noodle and A-Sha USA. Have a good one. Bye.